Last week, I showed you this beautiful Dollar Tree floral arrangement that I used on my Kate Spade Inspired Tablescape. This week, as promised, I am going to show you how I made it. Take a look. So for my centerpiece, I used a few things. I got some foam from the Dollar Tree. I got both this shape and this shape, and you'll see why in a second. And went and got various flowers in the bright pink color. So I have some roses, some tiger lilies, peonies, and hydrangea. Now I have way more than this, but this is just the sampling of the flowers I get. Feel free to get any flower that you like in this specific color for this theme. I use the hot pink. They usually have carnations and daisies and things like that, but these are the ones that I found. Also, I have from my previous video that Dollar Tree vase that I made. I'm going to put a link not only in the info but also in the description to show you how I made this. Now one of the things that is not a Dollar Tree, I'm going to use my low temp glue gun so I can glue these two pieces of foam together, because one wasn't going to be enough for the size of centerpiece that I was going to work for. Okay, to start my centerpiece, I'm going to start by placing my foam. So since this fits conveniently into this, I don't think that I'll need floral tape. So I have some clear floral tape. This is not something that I see at the Dollar Tree, although I really didn't look because I know I have it at home. But you can get it at the craft store. You use it to hold down foam or something like that when you're making a centerpiece. But I think because this fits so snugly, I don't think I need to use it. But that also may mean I'll have to dismantle this if it doesn't work out. So, but I'm going to leave it out for now. I'm going to take my low temperature glue gun and tape this block of foam on top, because this is not quite enough foam for what I want to do for the shape that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of the low temperature glue, and I'm using low temperature glue because I don't want to melt the foam. You'll see when I'm arranging, there's really no real rhyme or reason other than the fact that I try to make everything even. So you'll see that I put one flower in the center of each side of the square and build around, working on all sides at the same time, so I know that things are coming out evenly. And I just keep cutting and filling in, working all my way around. So I spin the arrangement around as I go, sticking in flowers where I see holes, and trying to make sure that all the spaces are covered, especially when we're dealing with artificial stems. Like I mentioned in the last video, I don't really like it when you can see the stems on an artificial arrangement. And you'll see it here, again, finished on my finished table, all filled in. I really think this is the right way to do an artificial arrangement. You want it to be full. You don't want to be able to see the support inside, the stems that are usually the real dead giveaway on an artificial flower. Really, they're essentially not fooling anyone, but you want it to look its best, and that is one of the first things I notice when folks put together artificial arrangement, is that the stems are just completely look plastic. You can tell they're plastic, especially when they're the inexpensive types like the ones that are shown at the Dollar Tree. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. As always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.